Hey Claybuddies! For today's video, I'll be sharing some basic tools that a beginner should have. So let's start with the working surface. For your working surface, you can use working mat, silicone mat, or cake board. Sometimes when the clay is too sticky, you can wipe a small amount of oil into your working surface to avoid it from sticking. Sculpting tools. There are different types and sets of sculpting tools, and each tool helps you to shape and create a specific effect on your clay. What works best for me is these 5 pieces sculpting tools, this dotting tool, and these needle tools. To flatten the clay, you can use rolling pin. You can also use pasta machine, but this is optional. For me, you can buy pasta machine if you work mostly on flat clay projects. This helps you to flatten the clay easily and gives you a very accurate thickness of clay. This is best if you are already accepting bulk orders. This will make your work easy and fast. But if you are just starting out, try using rolling pin first. For cutting clay, you can use plastic scraper, scissors, or craft knife. Cleaning. We want our clay projects to be clean and neat as always, so we need to clean our tools and workspace before we start claying. But when there's still dust on your clay projects, you can use wet wipes or alcohol. Some uses Q-tips and water. Just be careful not to wipe those little details. Adding details. You can add details on your clay projects using acrylic paint. You can add blush for your chibis or shades for the gradient effect using soft pastel or used makeups. Drying or curing. Air dry clay cures when exposed to air. Some may find it challenging, especially when working with flat pieces whose edges have a tendency to curl. When this happens, simply turn it over and let the other side dry. I have this plastic organizer and use them as my drying rack. Some uses silkscreen, and because there are holes, the air can circulate. This way, as your clay project dry, there will be air circulation underneath which keeps your flat clay pieces from curling up. Glossing or glazing. By adding gloss or matte glaze, you'll have a glossy or shiny effect or matte finish. Also, this serves as a protection for your clay pieces. You can use acrylic gloss, clear spray paint, or UV resin. And that's all for today. Please know that all the tools I share with you are the tools that I use when I start my claying journey, and I feel that will also be helpful for you if you want to start claying. You don't have to buy all those tools right away. There are tools that can be DIY'd and can be found at home. I have a separate video and I will put the link on the description box. And if this video helps you in any way, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy claying!